Okay, this is a 3-door Victory. You guys, the old boxes, if you want to convert them, a good rule of thumb with these boxes is 1/4 horse per door. 1/4 horse, 1/2 horse, 3/4 horse. So if you put a 3/4 horse on this, it'll do sweet. You know, that's how that's my little tip of the day for you. And this is a heavy half on here. It's a 1/2 horse ARG62. So I was doing some hacking and mowing tonight. Start components all blew out. Hang on, let me turn on the light. Okay, world, let's see if I can get this going for you guys. A Victory, and power supply 115 volt. We got model RA-3D-30 S7 as in S is in Sam 7. 115 volt. Serial number A92. That'd be probably a 1992 unit. What we got here? I'm guessing refrigerants are going to be R12 here somewhere, but it's been changed, I'm sure. Charge. Oh, we got refrigerant. Let's see if I can get any. Yep. Yeah, I called that one. R12, old R12 box converted to a. So, anyways, it doesn't really matter what this box is. This is 3-door. So, you guys want to. Hang on. Okay, good night hacking and mowing. Start components blew out on this thing. I don't know where the relay is. Oh, I don't know where it is. But anyways, it was compressor was running for a second and shut off right away. You know. Wasn't switching over to start to run, so just got the looked up the compressor, Googled it. 210 kit I had on my truck, and I'm like, good for 1/2 horse, so cap tube system. So put it on, clean it. Major deal was condenser was all clogged up and wasn't getting any airflow through the condenser. Condenser was plugged. Plus it was, I'll put a photo, it had a bunch of junk on the front of it, but should be running nice now, man. Hang on, hang on. Okay, this is the midnight hacking and mowing. 7 amps. Sounding sweet. Purring like a kitten. Alright, midnight hacking and mowing.